Hello everybody. So today is really exciting because we are starting out the vlog with a little unboxing from Basin. Basin knows our routine at Disney Springs. We go to Ghirardelli and we go right into Basin to wash our hands. And they were kind enough to send us an incredible box of holiday items and different just things for us to try, because a lot of the times we go in there but we never buy anything. So a little bit about Basin, why we love Basin, is it's just not common to find these types of products without, you know, all of the different chemicals and just different things that are bad for your skin. I have talked about it plenty of times before. I have extremely sensitive skin. I can't use any sort of fragrance in my soaps. Even just hot water, sometimes it messes with my skin. So it's so important to me to use products that are natural. They don't include alcohol or other things that are bad for your skin. It's not even just your skin, but your entire body, because your skin is your largest organ. It literally just soaks in anything that you put on it, and that goes into your body. So a lot of things like that do affect fertility. They affect, you know, skin cancer does run in my family. Just, I need to treat my body well. And so it's incredible that Basin is a company that creates products for their users that they know that they can safely say, hey, this is great for you. They have 20 different ingredients that are banned from their products. Again, that is listed on their website. They also always have that listed by the sinks where you wash your hands. And that's just such a cool guest experience, especially at Disney World, but in their other locations too. So something about Basin is that they do have some items that can only be purchased in Disney World. They have their Mickey soaps, and those are only found on Disney property. However, there are plenty of products that you can buy online that they also sell in the stores. Alrighty, so this is the box that they sent us. We do know that we got their holiday tube bath bombs, so it's a set where the tube is really beautiful. We actually got to pick our design. So those are something that would be timely for you. However, the bath bombs inside, those are available all year round, depending on the scent. So first off, we have these little soaps. This is Joy, has a little snow on top. And then this is a little snowman, so cute. And then a soap with a tree. I feel like I would actually use these in the shower, but they are just like really nice, like touches of holiday decorations. Like, I don't have a lot of decorations in my bathroom, so these could be really cute, like on a plate or just like outside on your countertop. So cool. And then this is the bath bomb tube. This just has Santa Claus and the reindeer. And this is actually from Basin White. So there's Basin Fresh, which can be found at Disney Springs, and then Basin White is located in the Grand Floridian. They both have similar items, but just like the vibe there is a little different. Basin White is a little bit more formal. When you go in there, it is more relaxing and more spa-like, whereas Basin Fresh is a little bit more upbeat and bright colors and such. So these ones are from Basin White. Just opening this up smells so good. This is crazy, just because like we're so familiar. I mean, that's why Basin sent these to us, is because we go in there so often, but to actually have bath bombs from there is pretty cool. So we let them know that our favorite scents were like citrusy. That's what I love, and Peter really likes the like minty Christmas scent. But all of these are just so fresh. And like I said, they are totally natural, alcohol-free, chemical-free. They also don't do any testing on animals, which is really lovely. That's like citrusy lemon. There's all different sizes too. This is a bigger one. It's like this nice like aqua color. And then last is this Christmas one. So cute. So all of them have the little Basin imprint on them. So this is the large size, and then the medium size, and then this one is even a little bit smaller. So this is wonderful. And for me, I'm actually a bath person. Like, I take a bath every single day, but because of that, they're fast. Like, I don't take a bubble bath. I don't use a bath bomb every bath. Like, it's just, you know, the same way as you would in the shower, in and out. So this is really nice, especially on days where I do need to be relaxed, do need to let off steam or feel better after, you know, a not so great doctor's appointment like yesterday was super stressful. These are awesome for that. So I am just so thankful for them sending that to us. We also have, oh, another soap. This is cute. It's perfect for Florida. It's like a palm tree gift situation. Super cute. Oh my goodness. Ooh, this is bath salt. It's just like really like minty almost. It's really nice. That would definitely be a good one to wake you up. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much, Basin, for sending us these. We are truly blown away by you even being open to sending us something. So we just really wanted to thank you for sending it to us. Also, you guys know we are constantly going in the shops. If there's ever anything in particular that you want us to feature or to get a better look at while we're there, we would love to give you a better look at the actual stores themselves. We usually are just in there washing our hands, but it's great that we'll have the chance to try out some of these other products and then in the future buy more for ourselves. Again, the link to where you can purchase these items will be in the description of this video below. We know that so many of you have been introduced to Basin from our videos, not even knowing that this little hidden gem at Disney even existed. Again, Basin Fresh is at Disney Springs, right next to Ghirardelli, between Ghirardelli and World of Disney. And Basin White is upstairs at the Grand Floridian. It is right next to where you go to get on the monorail. So yeah, please check out their website and let us know if you have any favorites from Basin, because now that we're really getting into the rest of their products and being able to enjoy them at home, we know we are going to be on the lookout for new items that we will love. So again, thank you, Basin, and we hope that you go and get some either last minute holiday presents or just some just because presents.
Well, if you didn't know that Christmas was in exactly 7 days, Hollywood
now
Studios
you know.
is here to tell you that Christmas isn't here, it's in 7 days.
It is busy! Busy enough that we parked basically in the very last area of the parking lot.
Put that clip right here.
I'll show you the clip.
So far. The exit, highway's right there. Highway's right there.
Oh my goodness me. Whew. So we are meeting up again with Alyssa and Matt and their family. We're doing Fantasmic.
Fantasmic for the last time, potentially in 2018.
Yeah, we have not done in a very long time, and we apologize. There's like a Slinky Dog Poster Toy. That's cool. Look at the little ride carrier. How do you try that? What did you find over here?
I think we need this for Eve.
Flip it
Hair
on her
clips
hair.
it. She would hate it, but she would look so cute. Whoa, look at this. It's like we're in Grandma's living room.
We're at the Tune-In Lounge. They're getting PB&J shakes.
Yeah, Alyssa and Matt are getting PB&J shakes.
You can just come in here, order at the bar if you're not like gonna have dinner here, and then they give it to you just like a normal drink.
Or you can just get water from the big old water jug.
I'm gonna do that in the same.
But I always love looking at the, like they have the Dick Van Dyke Show playing. These are real. These are not real plants. That's my mom. These are my books that my mom gave me because that's my mom. These are from the Encyclopedia Britannica that I stole from the library. I'm not allowed back. And these are everything I learned. I learned how to be an architect. I learned about history here. I learned about rocket science, art, music, being a dweeb, being everything good. So we're at Target last minute because we're doing Secret Santa tomorrow, and well, we're not doing Secret Santa, we're doing White Elephant. I work with people who like video games and stuff like that, and we found at Target this cool Oregon Trail throwback game. So I think I'm kind of hoping that this is a crowd pleaser and everyone's trying to steal it from everybody.
And then Ferris Bueller, because people think at work they said he looks like Ferris Bueller.
First day of work, people are like, "You look like Bueller. You look like Ferris." Did you ever get that before? And I was like, no. And then for the next week, people would meet me, and I don't think they told everybody to tell me, but everybody I met was like, "You look like Ferris." No, I don't. We have not been to our Target since they started really redoing it, and let me tell you, this is the fanciest thing I've ever seen.
Pretty darn fabulous.
It really is. They even have a kitchen. Ooh, look at the swivels.
I just got an idea for a gift for someone.
Good. This is Sarah and I know we're downsizing, but the one thing we're not downsizing is our KitchenAid accessories. We already have the food grinder, and I want to get either the spiralizer next or the pasta roller and cutter set. So these are going to be purchased in the next 10 years. Why is there a house in my Target?
This is the new Joanna.
Oh, it's those people. I wouldn't mind a Christmas tree in a jar. Wait. He prevails. We are home. We got stuff ready. Sarah was organizing our inventory from our buttons for our website. If you've never seen that, check it out, brookhartproject.com. I was doing dishes and just organizing stuff, and I forgot to open up a really cool package that we get every couple months after work because we were in a rush to get over to studios and meet up with Alyssa and Matt and their family. But look at this. So, this is the Disney Files magazine from this winter. Volume 27, number 4. Clearly all about Mary Poppins. This is the Dbc Quarterly Magazine that we get. And I want to show you some cool stuff. So there's talks a lot about Mary Poppins and Wreck-It Ralph. And look at this. Mary Poppins returns. A new story begins. Embracing tradition. Shooting stars. But look at this. They always do a spotlight of My Disney Home where members live. And it talks about members send in photos of their cool Disney inspired houses. Look at this beautiful room though right there. That is gorgeous. I wanted that to be I could picture that being a beautiful nursery for us. And then the last thing I want to show you without going reading every single word is towards the back. They show some awesome Christmas stuff. Oh, Walty Christmas. Look at this picture of Walt decorating a Christmas tree. Walt doing Toys for Tots. If you didn't know, Walt gave Lily a dog in a hat box. That's where that Lady and the Tramp inspiration came from. And look at that Walt with that beautiful yellow gift by the Christmas tree. A bunch of DVC members on holiday and enjoying their times. And then of course, beautiful Main Street USA during the holidays. Just 1 week away from today. 6 days from when you're watching this. It is late.
I'm eating chocolate.
We I did go to the P.O. box today and picked up a bunch of mail, but we didn't get a chance to open it yet, so we'll do that tomorrow. So, and I've been going frequently to the P.O. box. Oh, Eva's so ready for bed. I've been going frequently to the P.O. box because we've been sending out letters and packages and getting stuff because Sarah's graphic design business is running through our P.O. box too. So don't be worried if you did send us a Christmas card or anything. We're checking that frequently. And don't think you have to. If you did, we appreciate it.
It's good to be home.
It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.